thank you to all you folks that showed up today. It wouldn't be possible if there was nobody to witness this. So thank you to you. And then last, thank you to the team, the volunteers, the employees that work at the Roundhouse that make this dream come true. That I know that my mom and dad, Jerry and Laura, are looking down right now and smiling. So I thank you. Thank you all. Okay. This is the bottle of wine we've received. This is from Baltic Mill. This is their Buena Vista Brut. So if anybody's curious, they want to go buy whatever we're about to throw all over. We like to thank them for doing that. Jay was out practicing yesterday, so he's putting gloves on. He's learned his lesson. So,
hang on a minute, Jay.
hold on, Jay.
Writing.
All right. Well, here's to a successful rebuild. Return to steam for the number 19. Well, is the beginning of another 111 years. Jay, on behalf of the Jacobson family, the Aegis Team Roundhouse, and everyone here today, christen the 19th. Sir.